Hello students, I am Nishant Agarwal, faculty of Arya College of Engineering and IT, Kukas, Jaipur. Today I am giving a video lecture of second year 4th semester in power electronics subject. Today my topic is 3-phase inverter 180-degree mode. As we discussed in previous video lecture 3-phase inverter, now we in this video lecture we discuss about the types of three-phase inverter. Three-phase inverter, the content of this slide is introduction, three-phase bridge inverter, waveform and working. Introduction. In part 1 we have discussed about three-phase inverter operation, working and types. As we already know, three-phase inverter have two modes, 180-degree mode and 120-degree mode operation. In 180-degree, in this PPT we discuss 180-degree mode operation. In 180-degree mode, each SCR conduct for 180-degree cycle. This is the circuit for three-phase bridge inverter. In previous video lecture we discussed about the three-phase bridge inverter circuit. Three-phase bridge inverter circuit have anti-parallel diode are connected with SCR, and in right hand figure IGBT connected with diode, anti-parallel connected with diode. So what is the difference? This is the star connected load. What is the difference between we connect the SCR and right hand figure we connected IGBT? Modern power electronics we discuss we put the SCR and for depend on the applications. Three-phase 180-degree mode voltage source inverter. In three-phase inverter, each SCR conducts for 180 of cycle. Thyristor pairs in each arm T1, T4, T3, T6, T5, T2 are turned on with a time interval of 180. It means that T1 conduct for 180 and T4 conduct next 180 of cycle. Thyristor in the upper group T1, T3, T5 conduct at interval of 120. It means that if T1 is fired at omega t equals 0 degree, then T3 must fire at 120 and T5 must fire at 240. Same for the lower group T4, T6 and T2. This is the waveform of three-phase bridge inverter 180 mode. It is seen in the waveform. We have divided in the table in 3 row. T1, when T1 conduct in 0 to 180 and next 180, it means 180 to 360. T4 is conduct, and in table 2 after 120 T3 conduct, and after 180 T6 conduct. It means every and third row after omega t equal 240 T5 is conduct, and after 180 T2 is conduct. It means कि whole cycle of whole one cycle is 360, so it divided by 60 intervals, and these waveform is VAO, VBO, VCO shown for this voltage waveform for phase voltage VAB, VBC and VCA. On the basis of firing scheme, a table is prepared. The circuit model for step 1 to 4 are shown in figure. In step 1, SCR 5, 6 and 1 is conducting. During step 1, from the cycle conduct 0 to 60 degree. So thyristor conducting in this 60 degree interval, thyristor 5, 6 and 1 thyristor is conducting. So the current is find is I1 equal Vs upon Z plus Z by 2. Current I1 equal to 2 by 3 Vs by Z. The line to neutral voltage are VAO equal VCO. So I1 into Z by 2 into Z by 2, I1 into Z by 2 equal Vs by 3 and VAB equal to 2 Vs by 3. The above line to neutral voltage may be written as VA equal to VCO equal Vs by 3 and VBO equal minus 2 Vs by 3. These voltages are shown in figure in voltage waveform VAO during step 1. For the next step 2, the line to neutral voltage are as under. During step 2, for the next step 60 to 120 degree. In this step, thyristor 1, 6 and 2 is conducting. So the current is VAO equal Vs by 3, 2 Vs by 3 and VBO and VCO equal to minus Vs by 3. This is the equivalent circuit for 3-phase step procedure for 180 degree mode operation. How to is work? So we shown in clearly in the figure. In step 1, 5, 6, 1 is conducting. Step 2, two, 3 is conducting, and for step 3 and step 4. In this manner, variation of phase voltage VAO, VBO, VCO as obtained in figure step 1 to step 4 and similarly for other step. It is clear that each cycle of output voltage of each phase 6 steps are required and each step has a duration of 60 degree. The line voltage VAB equal to VAO plus VOB, or we can say VAO minus VBO. Similarly, VBC and VCA, VBO plus VOC, or we can say VBO equal VBO minus VOC, and VCA equal VCO plus VO, or we can say VCO minus VAO. The three line output voltage can be described by Fourier series as follow. VAB equal summation of n equal 135 to n 4 Vs upon n pi cos n pi by 6 sin n omega t plus pi by 6. VBC equal summation of n equal 1, 3, 5 to n 4 Vs upon n pi cos n pi by 6 sin n omega t minus pi by 2. And VCA equal summation n equal 135 to n 4 Vs upon n pi cos n pi by 6 sin n omega t plus 5 pi by 6. For n equal 3, cos 3 pi by 6 equal 0. Thus all triple harmonics are absent for the line voltage as given equation. Fourier series expression of line to neutral voltage VAO in figure 1 is given by VAO equal to summation n equals 6k plus minus 1 to n 2 Vs upon n pi sin n omega t k equals 0 1 0 1 0 k equals 0 comma 1 comma 2 2 dash dash n. Similarly, VVO and VCO find out. RMS value of nth component of line voltage is VLN equal to 4 Vs upon root 2 n pi cos n pi by 6. Now hold the expression find by the RMS value of the fundamental line voltage for VL equal to 0.7797 Vs. It is seen from line voltage waveform VAB in figure VAO that line voltage is Vs from 0 to 120 degree. Therefore, RMS value of line voltage VL is 0.8165 Vs. RMS value of phase voltage VP is 0.4714 Vs. RMS value of fundamental phase voltage is VP1 equal to VL1 by root 3. This is the whole description of 180 degree mode 3-phase bridge inverter. In next PPT we discuss the 120 degree mode operation. Thank you.